This is a marking screen for open assessment tasks. These are tasks where the answers are too open and subjective to be automatically marked. Read the student's work on screen or print it out. Then, scroll to the bottom of the page where you can mark the work and provide feedback. The interactive rubric allows you to highlight the appropriate descriptor statements for each student. Assess the student's work and assign an appropriate A to E score. You can also add feedback comments and recognise student effort with a gold, silver or bronze star. Selecting Save will save all marks, comments and awards, and you'll be returned to the assessment tracker. In the Return or Reset tab, you can return the task to the student so they can continue working on it. Use this button if the student accidentally hits Submit, or if you want them to improve their work. Alternatively, you can reset the task, which will permanently erase all of the student's answers from the task. This cannot be undone. You can return to the module at any time using the navigation bar. However, don't forget to save, as any marks, comments and awards will be lost. Students' results will be hidden, unless you have chosen to make them visible, which you can do on the assessment tracker or the module homepage.